My name is Asanka. Welcome you all to my channel and a big thank you for all the viewers and subscribers. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe for future cool videos. In this episode, I will show you how to keep safe inside your vehicle. Let's hop into the video. In a vehicle, there are many safety features like your seat belt and airbags and ABS, and some vehicles do have radar so that you can see the blind spot as well. Now if you want to sit in your vehicle in this position, in a case of an accident, the airbag will deploy in
Seated very close to your steering wheel.
is very dangerous. In order for you to adjust your seat so that your airbags and all the other safety features to work properly, you need to adjust your seat. To adjust the seat, press your clutch all the way down if you are driving a stick shift vehicle, and if you are driving an automatic vehicle, press your accelerator which is comfortable for you. After you press the clutch, bring your seat behind so that your leg is almost extended. Now what you need to do is
Reclining back of the seat.
to do that, sit straight and keep your wrist on the top of the steering wheel and bring your seat behind so that shoulder is not touching your seat. Rest your shoulders to your seat and press the clutch. See if it is comfortable for you. Once you do this, your airbag should face your chest, not your head. Keep your hand at the 11 o'clock and 2 o'clock positions, and always keep your thumb like this, because in a case of an accident, your steering wheel might turn. And see if you can change the gears as well. Since you have adjusted your seat, now it's time to adjust the side mirrors. Avoiding the blind spot is your main goal. To adjust the driver side mirror, you lean your head towards the side glass and adjust the side mirror so that you will only see 1/3 of your vehicle and 2/3 of the surrounding of the vehicle. And once you come to the center of the position, you will slightly see the side wall of your vehicle and the rest surrounding of the vehicle. If you have adjusted your side mirrors, it should look something similar to this. Since you have adjusted the driver's side mirror, now it's time to adjust the center mirror. Adjusting the center mirror is very easy. You just need to adjust it so that you can see the tip of the rear tail brake light. After adjusting the center mirror, it's time for you to adjust the passenger side mirror. Lean your head towards the center of the vehicle and adjust the side mirror so that you will see 1/3 of your vehicle from the side mirror and the other surrounding of the vehicle. If you sit in a normal position, you should be slightly able to see the edge of your vehicle and more of the surrounding. Even though you have adjusted your seats and the mirrors to avoid blind spot, the best safety tip is to avoid accidents. Hope you have enjoyed my video, and please do subscribe and hit that like button. Hope to see you in the future videos.